So since I joined with you, I was working all by myself, sole proprietor, running this business. I now have two employees, and my business has grown about four times what it used to be. And I, you know, I definitely see a huge value in your service and the attention to detail with your customers, especially me. A personal note that you give to your customers, myself especially, helping me to understand what needs to happen and how I need to implement these things, and kind of putting the screw to me, every once in a while. It's definitely warranted. But no, I've definitely grown my business a lot since being with you, and look forward to many more years in the future doing business, as things keep growing.